How my entertainment changed. Hello, everyone. Today I want to tell you how my taste in TV shows and music has changed over the years. When I was a child, I used to spend hours watching cartoons after school. My favorite shows were funny and full of adventure. I used to think that cartoons were the best type of entertainment, and I couldn't imagine watching anything else. Now things are different. I enjoy documentaries and mystery series much more. They are as interesting as movies because they tell amazing stories and teach me new things. I don't watch cartoons very often anymore. Music has changed for me too. When I was younger, I used to listen to pop music almost every day. I knew the lyrics of many songs and I even sang them with my friends. Nowadays, I prefer relaxing music or indie rock. I think these genres are as enjoyable as pop music, but they help me concentrate and feel calm. Sometimes I also listen to movie soundtracks because they are as emotional as the scenes they accompany. One thing that hasn't changed is my love for music. Music is as important as TV shows in my life because both help me relax after a busy day. Looking back, I realize that my interests have grown with me. I used to choose entertainment just because it was fun, but now I choose it because it also inspires me or teaches me something new. What about you? Did you use to watch different TV shows or listen to different music? Are your favorite TV shows and songs as exciting as they were when you were younger? Thank you for listening.
What did the speaker use to watch after school?
What kind of TV shows does the speaker enjoy now?
What music did the speaker use to listen to?
Why does the speaker like indie rock and relaxing music? According to the speaker, documentaries are as interesting as.
What type of music does the speaker sometimes listen to now?
What is as important as TV shows in the speaker's life?
Why does the speaker choose entertainment now?
What has not changed over the years?
What question does the speaker ask the audience?